Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to create human in Infinite Crowd. So the first thing you want to do is get fire. After fire, you get wind to create smoke. After that, you get water down here, and then get fire, create steam, and then add earth, create mud. After that, get wind, and then get earth. That to create dust, and then get earth, create planet. After that, what you want to do is get smoke and water, create fog. After that, you just add those together to create Venus. And then after that, what you want to do is get mud again, create Adam, and then you get Venus, add that to Adam to get Eve, then get Adam with Eve, human. And yeah, that's how you create human. And that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next one.